Step-by-step process, transplanting lettuce seedlings, 14 to 21 days after germination. Seedling stage, transplant when seedlings have developed to 2 for true leaves, usually 10 to 14 days after germination. Root development, ensure the root system is well formed, but not overcrowded in the nursery medium. Prepare the transplant area. Grow medium. Ensure the grow medium in the permanent area is ready and properly sterilized or buffered if required. Nutrient solution. Prepare the nutrient solution with the appropriate EC electrical conductivity and pH for lettuce. EC 1.2 to 1.5 ml per centimeter, pH 5.5 to 6.5. Temperature and humidity. Ensure the environment is within the optimal range. Temperature 18 to 25 degrees Celsius or 64 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity 50 to 70%. Gently remove seedlings. Using a sterilized stainless tweezers, loosen the grow medium from the seedling tray by using a pair of clean tweezers. Handle seedlings by the leaves, not the stem, to prevent damage. Insert seedling into net pots or cups. Hardening process. Maintain optimal humidity and reduce light intensity slightly to minimize shock. Water the seedlings immediately after transplanting using the nutrient solution. Keep nutrient levels slightly diluted around 75% of the standard strength. Monitor seedlings daily for stress symptoms, for example, wilting, yellowing. Adjust pH and EC levels as needed. Ensure good airflow to prevent fungal diseases. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot.